We bring you the answer to the golden question, what came before, the egg or the hen? In this video, we will give our working style and reasons why we follow this for easing execution of the project. As the world is moving towards mobiles and as the mobiles are more accessible, the leading source of traffic is mobile-based devices. In 2021, mobile phones generated 54.25% of the traffic and desktops 42.9%, and this number is steadily increasing with 10% growth in the past 1 year. So what do? Should we design mobile first and then design the website layout, or it should be vice versa, and why? It completely depends on perception and project execution style. But those of you who are in the video to find the answer, we designed web first. There it is. We said it. But don't drop yet, cause we will give you more insights on why we do the same. Reason number 1. More content upfront. This is the most important reason why we use web layout over mobile, as real estate on mobile is limited. When you compare it to the web version, the canvas is large and elements can be upfront. On mobile, most of them are hidden in sub-menus or tabs. Also, the entire responsive layout is based on increasing scroll area. For us, it's always great to hide the elements and not miss them in designing a layout rather than to hide them in first place and then add more in the layout. Reason 2. But before that, don't forget to like the video and press subscribe to get more such content. Help design community now. Better graphics support and interactions. More and more plugins are available to use 3D layouts and interactions on web pages, which can guide in creating a very unique and new experience. This needs to be stripped down to minor interactions or a completely stripped down alternate site which gets triggered only in mobile devices eventually. This makes the creative canvas limited. Reason 3. Hierarchy and legibility. Font usage and hierarchy becomes the primary factor in most websites. It is easy to define the hierarchy of the web and then set a rule to convert those to mobile rather than vice versa. Also, as of now, the width is reduced and paragraph size length increases. It becomes a rule of thumb to test it once in mobile and adjust especially in lengthy body copies. Reason 4. Complex illustrations and iconography. As stated, the real estate in mobile is already a big concern. The screen size vary and some devices are more compact, having smaller screen size than the rest. Hence, illustrations and iconography need to be stripped down, and sometimes mouse-based interactions are stripped down. So, to conclude, we always start with web and then work our way down, but it also depends on your business goals and Google Analytics traffic stats, if it is readily available. What's your opinion on the same? Do let us know in the comment section below. If this lesson provided you value, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.